So you're rocking, you're rolling, you're out on the trail, you are practicing your fire starting skills, and you are just burning through your fire starters, bing, bang, boom. Well, I bet what I'm gonna share with you today is something that you haven't maybe thought about. Something that you can buy in bulk, that's fun, it's easy to start fires with, and even if you're not gonna start fires with it, throw 1 or 2 in your fire starting kit, or maybe they're even in your medical kit, and you never thought about starting a fire with them. That's what I'm gonna show you. It's like a hot tip, you'll love it. Alright, so my trusty old haversack, I have a tin. And inside that tin container is the fire starter. You ready? You're gonna get excited. Can I get it out? Whew. Literally alcohol prep pads. These things work great for starting fires. Super packable. I have this small tin. You could stick them down in the bottom, put some fire starters over it, forget about them. If you need to sanitize something, or if you need to start a fire, it's all right there. Literally, let me show you how easy these things are to use. All right, we got our prep pad. We're gonna rip it open, expose some of the pad itself, open flame source or a ferrocerium rod, strike down on here. That thing starts burning, the paper's gonna burn, and you're good to go. And just like that, another fire starting method. Was I gonna let you down? No, I was not. No, I was not. So alcohol prep pads, honestly, a viable option out here. Something else to throw in your fire kit, something else to play around with next time you're out. See if you like them. So this was Dan Walbeck of Coalcracker Bushcraft. As always, check us out at coalcrackerbushcraft.com. And until next video, stay in the woods.